Good morning, dear traders. You are watching economic news on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. On Friday, the US dollar index slumped sharply on the back of downbeat macroeconomic statistics from the United States. The USDX sank to 95.30 levels from the daily high above the mark of 95.90. The sudden fall was linked to weak reports on retail sales and producer price in the US. Later, the index corrected to 95.44 levels. According to official data, producer prices in the US dropped by 0.4%, while analysts had predicted a 0.1% rise. In June, PPI grew by 0.5%. In annual terms, prices fell by 0.2% instead of 0.2% increase anticipated by analysts. Retail sales in the US also came in below market expectations. Sales stood flat in June, while economists had projected a gain of 0.4%. Retail sales failed to advance as Americans spent less on clothing and other goods. On annual terms, sales climbed by 2.3%. Core retail sales, excluding automobile sales, edged down by 0.3%. In June, core sales added 0.9%. Analysts had expected a 0.2% increase. According to flash data, the US consumer sentiment advanced less than expected in August. The consumer sentiment indicator grew to 90.4 in the current month, up from 90 in July and down from economists' expectations for the print of 91.5. Pundits point out that consumers are concerned by uncertainty over the ongoing US election that affects the country's economy. However, there was one indicator that showed positive result. The University of Michigan said in a preliminary report that the Consumer Expectations Index climbed to 80.3. In July, the indicator increased to 77.8. The unveiled data dampens market hopes for a soon interest rate hike by the Federal Reserve. This week, traders will hone in on the release of Federal Open Market Committee meeting minutes on Wednesday for fresh hints about the Fed's monetary course. You have watched financial news prepared for you by ИнстаФорекс TV channel. See you later.